Looking for a beautiful stitch to crochet your headscarf or bandana, and today I'll show you how to crochet this beautiful headscarf using fishnet lace pattern step by step. Use acrylic yarn, hook at 3.5 mm and a pair of scissors. We are going to start with a magic circle. You tie this working yarn onto this two finger, the middle finger and the index finger, and make an X like this. You pull this yarn, remove these two fingers slowly, and we are going to chain one to tighten the ring. We are going to chain 3, and this chain 3, this works as a first double crochet. Inside the ring, we are going to make another 2 double crochets. We are going to chain 2, 1, 2, and make another cluster, which is of 3 double crochets, and chain 2, and another cluster of 3 double crochets. We are going to pull this tail to cross the ring. We have 3 clusters of double crochets. 1, 2, 3. We are going to turn and slip stitch. In the next double crochet, slip stitch. And slip stitch until to this chain space. We are going to chain 3. And this chain 3 works as a first double crochet. We are going to add more 2 double crochets. And chain 2. In the same space, we are going to continue with 3 double crochets. We are going to chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In this space, we are going to make 3 double crochets. Chain 2. In the same space, 3 double crochets. This second row is done. We are going to turn and slip stitch until we reach the chain space. We are going to chain 3 and make other 2 double crochets. Chain 2 in the same space, 3 double crochets. And this is going to be our pattern. For the edges, we start with 3 double crochets, chain 2, 3 double crochets on both sides of the edges. This is going to be our pattern. In between, we are going to chain 5, chain 5. In this chain 5 space, in the middle, we are going to make single crochet. And we are going to chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this space, we are going to make 3 double crochets. chain 2, in the same space 3 double crochets. Row 3 is done. We are going to turn to start row 4. We slip stitch until we reach to the chain space. We chain 3 and add more 2 double crochets. Remember this chain 3 is our first double crochet. Chain 2 in the same space 3 double crochets. These are the edges. I'm going to chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In this chain 5 space, in the middle we make single crochet. Chain 5. In the middle we make single crochet. Chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3 double crochets. Chain 2, 3 double crochets. This is going to be our pattern. For the edges, 3 double crochets, chain 2, 3 double crochets. For this net pattern, chain 5, single crochet in the middle of chain 5 in the previous row. Until for each row we are going to be adding one more. This chain 5, we started with 1, next row 2, this next row 3. For each row we are going to be adding one more chain 5 space until we have your desired size of the bandana. Once you have your desired size of the bandana, you start with your edge pattern. In this last double crochet, you are going to make single crochet. You are going to chain 3. In this single crochet space, we are going to make 2 double crochets. You continue this chain 5 space and make single crochet. We chain 3. In this single crochet space, we make 2 double crochets. Here we are making the edging of our bandana. We continue to next space, make single crochet, chain 3. In this single crochet space, make 2 double crochets. We continue to the next space, single crochet, chain 3, 2 double crochets. We are going to continue with this until we reach here to the end. This is the last chain 5 space, single crochet, chain 3, 2 double crochets in single crochet space. In this last double crochet, you are going to make single crochet, chain 3, 2 double crochets, and you end with our edge pattern, 3 double crochets, chain 2, 3 double crochets. chain 2, 3 double crochets. Here we are. At this place we are going to crochet the strap. Depends on your desired length you want. I'm going to chain 50. Both sides, this side 50 and this side 50 chains. This is the final look of our bandana. Thank you for watching.